Hello everyone and welcome. Yesterday I sold this on eBay. You will be amazed at how much these actually sell for and what I unknowingly sold it for. So stay tuned. So this truck cab comes from the Hot Wheels steering rig series. There's a little steering wheel that would go in there. I didn't have the actual truck part. There's the truck cab for this. I tried searching it for on eBay before I sold it, which I always do with everything I sell on eBay, but I couldn't find anything, so which should have been clue number one. That was probably fairly rare. I didn't see anything, so I ended up listing it for $4.95. Since I didn't have it really listed correctly, I didn't get really any bids right away. But about 24 hours after listing it, I got a offer for $10, which I thought, well, was pretty good because I was expecting maybe to get $10 or $20 for this. So I sent back a reply for $12. I got accepted right away, and I was fairly happy with the sale. After the sale, I saw something come up that showed one of these selling earlier. And boy, was I shocked. Let me show you how much these actually sell for on eBay. So if you ever come across one of these or actually have one of these at your home, don't make the same mistake that I did. So you can see that these Hot Wheels steering rigs are going, especially this Mayflower, going for a high amount. $180 if you had it in the box, $68, $70, $100. So if you have these, just know that don't make the same mistake I did, that you have a nice little amount of money stashed in this little truck here. So hopefully this video makes you aware of how valuable this Hot Wheels steering rig Mayflower edition actually is. So the moral of the story is, make sure you have everything labeled correctly on eBay. Like I said, I usually do, but in this case I didn't. And just do a little research. If you do those couple things, you'll most likely get your full value out of what you're trying to sell on eBay. And one other little tip, you can set the time for when you sell it. So making sure that your auction starts at the end of the day, preferably on a Friday or Saturday night. You have better chance of it selling at a higher and the best price if you just do those things. Hopefully this video helped you out some. If you enjoyed the video, click the like button, subscribe, appreciate all that. Until next time, YouTube, see you guys.